So here we are. I hope I don't regret this, taking the motor out of this S14. And I'm going to install the N54. So I was originally going to put a different N54 in this car, but I guess it's just smarter to take the motor out of the 2002 and put the S52 in the 2002 and the N54 in here. So I mean, it's a bittersweet. I'll learn how to drive in this car, and I hope I don't regret what I'm doing right now, but we're doing it. So yeah, we are removing the engine, but that doesn't mean you cut everything off and drop the engine about nothing. You know, we're even using the right machine to evac the AC freon out of this. There's no sense of cutting everything off just because you're taking the engine out. So do it once, do it right, get it done. Yo, should be working on my E30, but you know, I fell in love with this S14, and I had told you guys I took the motor out already. So, but yeah, here we go. Took the fenders out so that way the whole bay can be painted correctly. Taking all the harness out right now. So let's get it done.